In this video, I will show the process for downloading your textbook files. That's the fundamentals of AutoCAD 2017. The textbook comes with some files that you need to download so you can complete the exercises in the book. And if you start from our Canvas page, right here in the week 1 portion of the Canvas page, is a file called AutoCAD 2017 Fundamentals Exercise Files.zip. So if you click on this link, there's nothing to show here, but I can actually download those files. So this is a clickable text link here. I'll go ahead and click on that. And then I will save the file and click OK. And depending on your web browser, it might look a little different, but you definitely want to save that file. And most people's computers default so that a program will download files to your downloads folder. So now we have to go open our downloads folder, and I will minimize my browser. So here's my desktop, and I have my taskbar set up in such a way where I have this Windows Explorer or File Explorer icon. If I click on the File Explorer, it looks something like this. And right here in my Quick Access menu is my Downloads folder. That's one way to find it. Also, under this PC, I can find my Downloads folder there also. And here in my Downloads folder is that AutoCAD 2017 Fundamentals exercise files that we downloaded. But notice it is a zipped folder. See if I can increase that icon size. And you can see right here it is a zipped folder. And I need to extract that folder before I can use the files inside it. So what I want to do is right click on the folder and select Extract All. And that will bring up this window, which basically it's asking me, where do I want to put these files? If you want them to live in your downloads folder, you can extract it right here and just click extract. Or really, you probably want to move this file into your course folder if you have one. So I just clicked the minimize button here, or I'm sorry, not the minimize, but I'm changing the window size. And then I will come down to my File Explorer, and this time I'm going to right click and click File Explorer, and now I have two windows open. And this is helpful because I can navigate to my drafting folder, for example, in one window. So here's my class folder, and this is my downloads folder. So I can scroll down, find the file that I want, and I'm going to drag it over here and put it in my class folder. And then I can close my downloads folder. Once I have the zipped folder in my class folder, I can right click on that and extract all. I like where the folder is, so I'm going to leave the file path the same and click the extract button. And it will take a couple seconds to extract these files, and it did create another regular unzipped or extracted folder here. And if I'll show you here, this is what was created, and if I double click on that, here are my exercise files, and if I open that, here are all of the drawing files that I need to complete the exercises in the textbook. And I know that one of the first assignments we have is on the erase command, and it tells me to open the drawing called erase 1. So all of these are in alphabetical order. I will scroll down to the E's and find erase 1. And now if I double click on this, it will go through the AutoCAD process to fire up Civil 3D. And then I'm ready to start working on my drawing. So of course, Civil 3D takes a few seconds to fire up. And as soon as it's open, I'll move it over to my other screen so you can see it. So here is Civil 3D. And again, if I open this Erase One drawing, it opens the Erase One file. And so now I can complete the exercise in the workbook. Many of the exercises in the book will have you find a drawing in that exercise files folder. So just make sure you are opening the correct file to match the exercise that you're working on. Always save your drawing, but because this is a preloaded exercise file, I recommend always doing a save as function and changing the file name. And you might want to put it in a different file location just to keep all of your files nice and tidy. So I hope you found that helpful. And of course, you can email me if you run into any questions.